In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add subscripts to your text so that you can add chemical symbols or footnote markers in your spreadsheets. So let's get started. In column A, we have text that you would normally see in Excel. In column B, let's add subscript values to make the chemical symbols for water and glucose more readable. Let's start with cell B2, where we want the 2 in H2O to be a subscript value. To do this, highlight the 2 in the formula bar and then right-click and choose Format Cells from the pop-up menu. When the Format Cells window appears, click on the Subscript checkbox and then click on the OK button. Next, let's format cell B3, where we have the chemical symbol for glucose. For this value, we need to highlight and format each of the numbers. First, highlight the 6 in the formula bar and right-click on the Format Cells. Click on the Subscript checkbox. Do the same for the 12 value. And then do the same for the 6 value. Using subscript values is just as useful to do in Excel as it is in other programs like Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great Excel videos. You can also support our channel by becoming a member. We have left a membership link in the description below. Thanks for watching.